Hi guys, welcome back with the second puzzle. The second puzzle in this additional, not in today's newspaper of Friday, February the 18th, 2022. It's a windy day today. Storm Eunice is arrived. Yes. No, it's the Tuesday edition. The Tuesday edition, February the 15th, 2022. Yesterday we have also no additional, so I've solved the rest of the puzzle of the Wednesday edition. So now 2 days in a row, no additional, and this additional I will continue. Yeah, it's from the Tuesday edition. Yes. All right. Two Stars Sudoku number 4146. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, let me do this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 26 printed digits. And for Two Stars puzzle, I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. That's my time limit. Okay. All right, so let's get started. Let me scan. We have a 1 in this column, 1 in the middle column. So the column next, only place left for the 1 should be there. All right. 6 in this row, 6 in the row below. So last row, the only place left for the 6 should be there. Yeah. 5 in this row, first row. 5 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5, no 5 there, 5 should be there. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 missing numbers in the last row. One of the missing numbers is 4. We see here 4 in this big square, so no 4 in these 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 4 in the last row should be there. Yeah. 3 missing numbers in the last row. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2 is missing, 3, 4, 5, 6. The 7 is missing, 8 and the 9 is missing. 279. And look, we have a 2 and a 9 in this column. So no 2 and a 9 in this box. The 2 and a 9 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and a 9, 2 and a 9. We have a 9 there, no 9 there. 9 should be here. And the 2 goes there. 1 box left in the last row for number 7. Okay. So we have a 7 in the third column, 7 in the second column, so in the first column. Only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see there 7, no 7 there, 7 should be there. Then. How about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is a 3 and a 1. 3 and a 1. Yeah. 2 numbers. Yeah. 2 of those missing numbers are the 3 and a 1 in this big square. We have a 3 and a 1 in this row. Second row. So no 3 and a 1 in these 3 boxes. The 3 and a 1 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 3 and a 1, 3 and a 1. 3 and a 1, 3 and a 1. Okay, so we have a 3 in one of those 2 boxes in the first row, 3 in the second row. So the third row, only place left for the 3 should be there. Now we have 2 missing numbers in the third row. 4 numbers. 1, the 2 is missing. 3, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 2 and a 6, 2 and a 6. We have a 6 there, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 2 goes there. All right. 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are The 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing, and the 7 and 8 is missing. 2, 6, 8, 2, 6, 8, 2, 6, 8. And look, you have a 2 and a 6 in this column. So no 2 and a 6 in this box. The 2 and a 6 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 2 and a 6, 2 and a 6. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 6 goes there. One box left in this big square for the number 8. Okay. 8, 8, 8. Then. How about, let me see. 7. Yeah. 4 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 2 and a 7. We have a 2 and a 7 in this column, so no 2 and a 7 in these two boxes. The 2 and a 7 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 7 and a 2, 7 and a 2. We have a 2 there, those 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 7 goes there. Okay, so now we have 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. So 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and the 8 is missing, and a 9 is missing. 8 and a 9, 8 and a 9. We have a 9 there, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and 8 goes there. 1 box left in this column for the number 1, 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. 4 in the first column, 4 in the second column. So the third column, only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. You see that 4, no 4 there, 4 should be there. Okay. Alright. 5, 5. I'm scanning. Well, 5 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 2 and the 4. We have a 2 and a 4 in this row, so no 2 and a 4 in these 3 boxes. The 2 and a 4 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and a 4, 2 and a 4. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 4 goes there. Alright. Then. 4. 2 in this column, 2 in the column next. So in the last column, only 3 places left for the 2 should be here, or there. We see that 2, no 2 there. Here 2, no 2 there. The only place left for the 2 should be there. And all the 2s are used. I can see. This is number 1, number 2. Okay, 2 numbers left in this row. 4 numbers. 1 is missing. 2 and a 3 is missing. 1 and 3, 1 and 3. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 3 goes there. Now we have a 1 here, so this box can be 1 and more. That box should be a 1, and this box should be a 3. 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing. 6, 7, and 8 is missing. 5 and 8, 5 and 8. We have 8 there, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and a 5 goes there. 1 box left in this column for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. 1 box left in this column, the second column for number 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. Now we have 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6 is missing, and a 7 is missing. 6 and a 7, 6 and a 7. Let me mark those 2 boxes, 6 and a 7. Okay. So we have a 5 in this column, 5 in the middle column. So the column next, only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. You see that 5, no 5 there, 5 should be here. 5 in this row, 5 in the middle row. So in the row below, the only 3 places left for the 5 should be here, or there. You see that 5, no 5 there. Here, 5, no 5 there. The only place left for the 5 should be there. And all the 5s are used. I can see digit number 2, number 5. Okay. How about Interesting. Yeah, 2 numbers left in this column. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing, and the 9 is missing. 8 and 9, 8 and 9. We have a 9 there, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and 8 goes there. Oh, any mistake? Not 6 and a 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, the 8, 6 and 8. Now we have an 8 there, so this box can be 8 anymore. That box should be an 8, and this box should be 6. Okay. 8 in this row, 8 in the middle row, so the row above. Only 3 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see there an 8, no 8 there. Here, there, no 8 there. The only place left for the 8 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers. 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. 5, 6, 7, and 8 is missing. 4 and 8, 4 and 8. We have 8 there, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 4 goes there. And all the 8s are used. I can see. Digit number 3, number 8. How about the 4? No. Yeah, 4 in this row, 4 in the middle row. So the row above, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see there 4, no 4 there, 4 should be here. 4 in the last column, 4 in the column next. So that column, only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see there 4, no 4 there, 4 should be here. And all the 4s are used. I can see. This is number 4. Okay, 2 numbers left in this big square. For the numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing. 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 6 and the 9, 6 and the 9. We have a 6 there, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 9 goes there. Okay, 2 numbers left in the last column. 4 numbers 1 is missing. 2, 3, 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 1 and the 7, 1 and the 7. We see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 1 in this column, 1 in the last column. So the column between, only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there. 1 should be there. And all the ones are used. I can see. Digit number 5, number 1. Okay. 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers. 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. 4, 5, 6, and the 7 is missing. 3 and the 7, 3 and the 7. We see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 3 in this column, 3 in the column next on that column. The only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here. 3 in this row, 3 in the middle row. So the row above. The only place left for the 3 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers. 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6. The 7 is missing. 8 and the 9 is missing. 7 and 9, 7 and 9. We have a 7 there, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 9 goes there. Final 2 numbers of this big square. For the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is missing. 7, 8, and the 9 is missing. 6 and the 9, 6 and the 9. We have a 9 there, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 6 it goes there. Finish in 30 minutes. Well, 2 stars. No, let me give this a 1 star. Because I'm faster than 50 minutes, and I like this one. Yes, I really do. If you like this too, thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And before I leave, I'm interested in these center boxes of the big squares. I'm analyzing for more than 3 weeks. Maybe I can see a pattern. Maybe you can see a pattern. Well, we have here 847, 847, 971, 971, 654, 654. So here we have 1 pair, I believe, the 7. And the 4. 2 pairs. 7 and a 4s. Yeah. Alright. Thank you for watching, and I will see you later with the other 2 puzzles. We have a tectonic with 1 star left and a binary. See you later. Bye bye for now.